Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about stacked area chart. And we have also covered few differences about stacked area chart and area chart. So I hope guys, now you are cleared with the difference of stacked area chart and area chart. And now in today's class guys, we will talk about the next visual, which name is line and stacked column chart. So firstly I will give you the brief knowledge about line and stacked column chart. So guys, this is a combo chart of bar chart and line chart. It combines the line chart and column chart together in one visual. And this chart is really useful guys when we make a quick comparison between two sets of measure. It shows the category in the form of just like line chart and area chart. So with the help of this line and stacked column chart, we can easily compare the trends with bars. It is a combo of line chart and column chart. So now let's start the class guys. So let's directly go to the line and stacked column chart page. And here you guys can see I have already taken this chart from the visualization pane, which is line and stacked column chart. And now look at the parameter. So here we have x-axis, column y-axis, line y-axis, column legends, small multiples and tooltips. And this small multiple and tooltips guys is just same like other visuals. So if you want to understand this small multiple and tooltips guys, just watch this series from sequence. So let's start with this x-axis. So as we have seen in the previous tutorial guys, we will take only date column here under x-axis. If you want to see the trends, but if you want to compare with any other category guys, so you can also drag and drop any other category here as well. But I want to see the trend here, so I will take order date column here. So I want to see the month wise trend, so I will remove all the fields from here and only keep here only month field. And here under y-axis guys, I will take one measurable value. So this time I am taking sales. So here we can see guys, we can see the month wise sale. In January we have made 50100. In February we have made 27900. In this way guys, we can see any other month sale. And now let's talk about the next parameter, which is line y-axis. So with the help of this line y-axis guys, we can easily see the trends just like an area chart and line chart. Once I drag and drop any measurable value here guys in line y-axis, then you guys can see the trend line just like an area chart and line chart. On the top of the bars guys, you guys can clearly see the line. So let me drag any measurable value here. So this time I am taking again sales column here under line y-axis. And now you guys can see our line has created here just like a area chart and line chart. And now we can also see the trends with bars. So you guys can analyze any measurable value here. So let's suppose guys, I am removing this sales field from here. And now I will drag and drop this cost field. So simply drag this and drop it here under line y-axis. And now we can see the cost with sales. And we can also see the trends just like an area chart and line chart. So we can easily compare two values in one graph with the help of this line and stacked column chart. And now let's talk about this next parameter, which is column legends. So if you guys wanna add any legends here like other bar chart visual, so just simply drag and drop this field here in column legends. So let's suppose guys, this time I will take this product column here under in column legends. And now we guys can see this chart is exactly same like this stacked column chart. But if I convert this chart into this stacked column chart guys, so here we can see we can't see any line here. So this is exactly same like a stacked column chart, but we can see the trends here under in line and stacked column chart. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of line and stacked column chart. So let's go to the formatting pane. So here we have already covered this x-axis and y-axis. And now let's talk about this secondary y-axis. If you want to turn it off, you can simply turn off this toggle button. But if you want to play with the formatting part, just turn on this button. And from here guys, you need to play with this values, colors and so on. So you need to explore this feature by yourself. And mostly feature guys are exactly same like other visuals, so you need to explore yourself, and we have already covered in the previous tutorials of visuals. But we have not covered this markers features in the previous video. So here you guys can see the markers which represent in orange color. If you want to turn off the markers guys, just turn off this toggle button. So if you want to see the other formatting style of markers guys, just expand this option, and from here guys you can change the shape, and from here guys you can also change the colors. So we have lots of formatting features guys, so you need to explore about yourself. So I hope guys you have definitely learned so many things about this line and stacked column chart, which is exactly same like a stacked column chart, and we can compare two measurable value under in one visual. And this is really helpful to see the trends with bars. So for such kind of learning, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click on this playlist guys, you will find separate DAX function playlist. Here you guys can take detailed knowledge about DAX functions. I have tried to cover each and every DAX function with detailed information. And we also have one more playlist guys, which name is updates. So you will also get to see timely updates about Power BI. So you don't need to go anywhere to see such latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover detailed knowledge about these visuals. So you will not able to see such kind of detailed knowledge of visuals on any other YouTube channel. So stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are visit first time on this channel, don't forget to press like, subscribe and share button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview questions and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with corporate scenarios which frequently used by in corporate while making reports. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can connect me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.